So I'm here in the factory and I just want to show you what it looks like to receive your Plantation shutters. Now, these two boxes here, this box here has got the shutter panels, and this box will be as big as the shutter panels are that you've ordered. And this box here, the smaller one, will be the frame, the L frame. Now, if it's a direct mount or some different options, you may not get this box. It may always be in this box, but the box is labeled. It's got the carton number, it's got the item number. Now, when you're storing Plantation shutters in your garage, they love to be leant up against the wall like this. When they're traveling, if you need to move them to a new location, lay them down like this, make sure they're nice and tight. What a Plantation shutter doesn't like is any weight that's put in the middle of this box here, because that's where the blades are. So this box is strong on the outside, but it's not strong in the middle. So just be mindful of that when you're storing it and when you're moving them in your garage.